It's finally summertime, and to me, summer means sleepovers, whether it's having friends from school over or cousins visiting from out of town. There's just lots of different occasions where you're going to have guests in your home. So this is a really fun activity that you can do to keep kids busy and give them a one-of-a-kind keepsake that they can take home with them after the party's over. To make these color your own pillow covers, you're going to need obviously blank pillow covers that you could sew or you could pre-purchase them like I did, some pillow inserts, heat transfer vinyl, and fabric markers in a variety of colors. The first thing that you're going to need to do is cut the designs from heat transfer vinyl. Now you could choose images that fit the theme of your party or the kids' interest. There are a lot of different designs that you can find online, or if you have a picture that you like, I found that Crayola has a really good coloring book maker. You just import your image or the graphic that you want, and it will transform it into a line design for coloring book pages. And then I was able to use those with my cutting machine software to create my own designs. So that's a really fun way that you can personalize these images. After you've weeded them, it's time to transfer it to the blank pillowcase cover. Like I said, I purchased these already sewn pillowcase covers since it was quick and easy, because with a sleepover, you've already got lots of planning to do. You don't always have time to sew your own pillow covers. So this made it easy for me. And first I am putting a piece of cardboard inside that cover, and I'm going to leave that cardboard in there all the way until the kids are done coloring it. This is going to help provide a sturdy background for my image, and then it'll also make sure that the paint colors don't seep through when the kids are coloring their designs. So first step, I always like to iron my surface just to preheat it. If you have a heat press, that would be a lot quicker, but if you just have an iron, you can use that. And be sure to follow the instructions that came with the heat transfer vinyl that you used. In my case, I just need to cover it. I've got a silicone pressing pad that I use there, but you could also just cover it with a tea towel or a light cloth and then press each section. In my case, it was about 5 seconds. And then I could move on to the next section until the entire design had been ironed onto the pillow cover. Like I said, since I don't have a heat press, I'm going one section at a time until my entire design has been ironed onto the pillow cover. Then, again, following the manufacturer's instructions, some you need to peel off while they're hot. In my case, it peels off while it's cool. So I'm gently going to peel that back and reveal my awesome design. I really like this one. My son came up with it himself. He fed his idea to an AI program. He said he wanted an orange that looked like a monkey. And so I converted that using that Crayola software to turn it into a coloring book image that I was then able to cut from heat transfer vinyl and put onto this pillow. It's really cute already, and it's going to be even more fun after he colors it. I used black heat transfer vinyl for that image, but for the others, I used a variety of blues and even a metallic vinyl. So you can customize it as you like. And then when it's party time, you can hand the kids their fabric markers and let them go to work. My kids really had fun customizing their pillow covers, with the colors that they wanted to use. This was a great activity to keep them busy. And like I said, for a sleepover, this would be an awesome keepsake for kids to take home with them. The fabric markers dry really quickly. Some brands you might have to iron it to set the color. So again, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. And when you're done, you can take out that cardboard insert so we can fill it with the pillow insert. I am using these weather soft pillows because they have a moisture resistant cover, which is perfect for kids and perfect for sleepovers because there will be spills, and this will help protect that lining. I also like these pillows because they are so plump. I mean, look at that. These aren't those sad little pillow inserts that have no fluff. These Fairfield World inserts are always fully packed, so you get a nice cushiony pillow. And we're just going to put that into the pillow cover and zip it shut. And then the kids can enjoy their one-of-a-kind, personally designed and colored pillow. I always love giving kids a chance to express their creativity and, show off a little bit of their personality. So this project is great for that. Like I said, you can choose designs that the kids will love and be proud of and have fun coloring, have fun crafting and creating, and making memories with the kids in your lives. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the video description for links to all the products used in this project.